So this is the hairstyle I decided to wear today, and I apologize, I did not do a tutorial on this hairstyle. This was one of those spur of the moment things that I decided to do at the last minute. Basically all I did was I braided my hair down and I crocheted this burgundy hair in. This is the same hair that I used last time when I crocheted my hair. I don't remember the name. I'll put the link in the info box. I do remember that I purchased it off Amazon. They still have it. It's still available, so I'll put the link in the info box if you want to purchase it. I did cut this hair a lot because this was they come in two different lengths. It comes in 20-inch and it comes in 10-inch. I had the 20-inch, and the 20-inch will probably fall about right in this area. But like I said, I cut it shorter in the top, and I'll turn around so you can see the back of it. And this, like I said, is burgundy. This is the back. So I cut it quite a bit, and hopefully it's not messed up. But like I said, I did it at the last minute, and I wasn't really sure what I wanted to do to my hair. But I wanted something I didn't have to worry with my hair this weekend, so I decided to go ahead and do it like this. So yeah, I will be doing some more crochet styles soon, hopefully. But when I decide to do another crochet style, I will be doing a tutorial on it this time. I plan on, like I said, braiding my hair up, but I'm trying to wait closer to my family reunion. I think my family reunion is like the end of July, so I'm trying to hold out until the end before I braid my hair, because I don't want to have to braid my hair twice and then have to take it down and redo it. So I'm trying to wait till the end before I do it. So in between there, you'll be seeing me wearing my hair out and protective styles up until that point. The outfit that I have on today, I have on this red dress with some white polka dots in it, and you've seen me wear it before. I think I wore it once before, but it was last year or year before last when I wore it. I decided to put it on today. I actually switched outfits again. I knew I was wearing red, but I wasn't sure what red I was wearing. I had a solid red dress that I was going to wear, and I ended up switching. So I decided to put the polka dot dress on instead. It's wide tail. It has like a little belt to it. You've seen it, like I said, you've seen it once before, and you will see it in pictures at the end of this video. I decided to put it on with my Crystal AB set, and I'm really upset this morning because I can't wear the shoes. My back, I don't know, something went on with my back. I did something to it, and I don't know what I did, but it's really stiff and it's hard to walk. So I won't be wearing heels this morning. I will be wearing some flats, and I'm going to show you what I'm wearing in a second. But the jewelry, the Crystal AB set, you've seen it once before. I showed it to you. I purchased it S&P jewelry. Excuse me. This is a necklace. And on this end, for the rings, on this end I have just my gold ring on. On this end I have this rose Crystal AB rhinestones. I showed you this ring so many times, you're probably tired of seeing it, but I love this ring. And I purchased it at It's Fashion Metro or either Burlington Coat Factory, one of the two. These bracelets I actually purchased at CVS, which I was surprised that they sold jewelry. I was just happened to be in CVS, and I saw they had them in the basket. They was 99 cents, and it was 3 of them came together. So these 3 came together. The pearl, the gold, and the red, and then the white, the pearl, and the gold bracelet came together. So I purchased 2 of them. So I only paid $2 for all of these bracelets. So I decided to put them on today since I had on red and white. Even though I don't have on gold, I decided to wear the gold ones anyway. The shoes and handbags that I was going to take today was, let me show you the shoes. These are the shoes that I was going to wear. I was going to wear these. You've seen these once before. I have a video on them as well. And they have the Crystal AB crystals in the back of them. But like I said, my back is not going to allow me to walk in heels today. I can see that right now. So I don't want to be struggling. I have a long day today, so I don't want to have to be struggling, and I just can't do it. So I'm not going to wear these, but I did find, I forgot I had these shoes actually. I decided to wear these little sandals today, and they're covered in Crystal AB and crystals as well. They're dressy and they're flat, so I think I can get away with wearing them with this dress, wide tail dress, especially since they have the crystals on them and the bow and everything like that. So I'm going to wear these today. because they're comfortable and they're going to be easy to walk in, and I don't have to worry about, like I said, my back going out on me. This is the handbag that I'm going to take. I had a silver gray handbag. You all remember this handbag. And what I really love about this handbag is the size of it. It's so large. I can get everything. I have my tablet in there. I can get everything down inside of it. I really, really love that about this handbag. So, I'm going to take it today. And also, I have about 4 pair of shoes I can wear this with. So, I can take this handbag with these shoes, which you can see it goes perfect together. And I also can take it with the ones that I'm wearing today, these. Even though they're beige, the crystal AB still, it blends in with the purse. So I can take this handbag with these shoes as well. And I also have some red and crystal AB shoes. And you remember the other ones that I had, which I'll show them to you right quick. So these are the shoes that I actually did, what I showed you in the video, to go with this purse. And these, as you can see, go with this handbag as well. And I also have these. If I ever decide to wear red, the red shoes, which I could have wore these shoes with this outfit as well, I can also wear these shoes with this handbag. Because the crystal AB crystals match on all of them. So, I really love the handbag that I can take it with so many different pairs of shoes as well. So, I'm thinking I may end up doing me another one later on. A crystal clear set as well that I can kind of mix match with all my outfits. So yeah, I think I covered everything. So that is basically it for everything. Oh, I also added a picture of the outfit that I wore on May 25th, which is my 22nd wedding anniversary. And I have a picture of that. Also, I'm going to post that at the end of this video. And my parents actually celebrated their 46th or 47th wedding anniversary the day after mine, which was on May 26th, which was yesterday. Because my videos are a week behind. So I didn't take any pictures or anything like that though, but of them. But it's right behind each other. 25th, 26th. It's just a busy month in May. So yeah, so that is basically it for everything. Let me know what you think, and I will talk to you later, YouTube. Till then, take care.